Hi, my name is Dr. Gregory Barord. I am a marine biology instructor at Central Campus here in Des Moines, Iowa. For marine biology, it's just the sense of learning every single day and the deep sea research that our team does. You literally are learning something new every single day. Aside from that, it's being able to share that with friends, colleagues, and kind of the world, and just kind of gets students in my classroom and our community excited in the marine field and the ocean in general. Our classroom is all about work-based learning. We have aquariums that students care for. We have research projects that students do, particularly here in Iowa, trying to connect the ocean to a very landlocked state. We have rivers that impact the ocean. So it's relatively easy to connect the ocean to here in Iowa and things that students can do to improve the ocean or conserve the ocean. It's just a matter of figuring out ways to do it effectively for folks here. I think the best advice I would give is to listen to the students, and not just listen for the sake of listening, but I think the students can teach you a lot about how to kind of mold and how to shape your teaching philosophy and your daily practice in the classroom. We have to be willing to change. And, if you're not willing to change, if you're not willing to kind of hear feedback from students, then the whole kind of teaching student dynamic kind of falls apart, because you stop that relationship right when it can be started. It might be hard to hear criticism from students, or, you might think you know best, but just listening to students, because especially at the high school level, they give you feedback every single second of the day, whether it's, body language, whether it's words, but being able to take that in, and if you need to, process that feedback with another teacher, with your mentor, with an admin, to make sure you're doing the best you can for the students every single day.